HangzhouTaoxing Printing Machinery Company Limited is a professional supplier of printing equipment and packaging equipment. We were established in 2008 and have a team with experienced sales and the good after-sales service. We have HangzhouTaoxing Intelligent Equipment Factory in Huzhou, Zhejiang, where we manufacture full series of high-quality screen printing machines, pad printers, pre-press equipment, post-press and related auxiliary equipment. All the machines are manufactured with strict quality control system and meet the CE standard. We have patented technologies, and it was a high-tech enterprise. Meantime, we work with high-quality factories in China and integrate high-quality resources to provide customers with one-stop solutions for the magnetic material industry, home appliance glass industry, garment printing, packaging industry, advertising industry, digital printing, and plastic products industry. Our products not only have a large domestic market, but are also exported to the United States, Germany, Italy, France, Turkey, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Peru, Brazil, Sweden, India, the Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia, etc. We can use English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, and Arabic for customers from different countries, providing product development, manufacturing, installation, logistics, customs clearance, and other one-stop services. Adhering to the concepts of technological innovation and customer first, as the creator, promoter, and explorer of unknown fields of printing machinery, we will continue to increase product variety, improve product quality, and our service level. We look forward to working with you for a win-win situation.